Hello and welcome back everyone, Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have our side view mirror accent trim for the Polaris Slingshot. If you're looking to add a subtle pop of color to your factory Slingshot side view mirrors, then you're going to love our side view mirror accents. These mirror accents are sold as a pair and mount up in place using the included stainless steel mounting screws. They're also available in a variety of different color options to complement your Slingshot's color scheme. So now allow me to walk you through the installation process on our Shop 2020 Slingshot R model. Start by aligning the mirror trim directly over your mirror so that it's nice and straight. Then use some masking tape to hold it in place. So that you can use a marking pin to mark the 3 holes. Now peel off the masking tape and remove the mirror trim to expose the marks you just made. Now please note that we're only drilling through a thin layer of plastic on the front side of the mirror housing for each mounting hole. So make sure when you drill your holes that you do not drill all the way through the back side of your mirror. Now you can carefully drill 3 holes on the marks we made earlier using a 5/64 drill bit, again making sure not to drill too far. Now you can align your mirror trim holes with the holes you just made and insert the 3 Phillips head screws finger tight to start, before going back through with your Phillips head screwdriver and tightening them down the rest of the way, making sure not to over tighten. And then you can just repeat that same process for your other mirror. And that's all there is to it, folks. So if you'd like to take your Slingshot side view mirrors from this to this, then be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab a pair of side view mirror accents for your sling. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Slingshot. I'm Brandon, signing out. Until next time.